Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Hello children, how are you? I expect you all well. Right, now today, primary 5, third term, online lesson, lesson 5, resource, Chocolate Total book. Today we are going to consider about the question form Est-ce. You can see this question form Est-ce and negative form with partitive articles. Question form is a very huge lesson, but we are going to consider today with question form with Est-ce, and we are going to consider after that negative form with partitive articles. Let's get started. Look at this first one. Est-ce que tu aimes le poisson? Est-ce que tu aimes le poisson? Tu aimes le poisson means you like fish. You like fish. Remember, when we tell that you like something, you love something, you hate something, in English language we don't have any article. I like fish, I like chocolate, I like strawberry. We don't use any article. But in French, we use the definite article. It's a major difference in English usage and French usage. What is it? When we tell about your likings, dislikings, you hate something, you don't like something, those idea when we tell it general sense, when there English language no article is used, but French relevant definite article is used according to the noun gender. Now poisson is masculine, thereby we use le. Right. Est-ce que tu aimes le poisson? Read. Est-ce que tu aimes le poisson? Now tu aimes le poisson means you like fish. Do you like fish? When you want to ask a question, we have to use est-ce. There is no translation for est-ce in English. There is no translation. But we have to note out, if a sentence starting with est-ce means that is normally a tag question. Tag question where we give the answer yes, no. Look at this. Est-ce que tu aimes le poisson? Est-ce que tu aimes le poisson? Do you like fish? Oui, j'aime le poisson. Yes, I like fish. Negative answer. Non, je n'aime pas le poisson. Est-ce que tu aimes le poisson? Oui, j'aime le poisson. Non, je n'aime pas le poisson. So there, look at this negative form. Why here J apostrophe? Because A is a vowel, thereby J apostrophe. Here JE comes full form because N is a consonant. So non, je n'aime pas le poisson. Est-ce que tu aimes le poisson? Oui, j'aime le poisson. Non, je n'aime pas le poisson. Negative form has only two parts there, N apostrophe and pa in this case, because A is a vowel, thereby we use N apostrophe. Now here J apostrophe comes because A is a vowel. Here JE comes because N is a consonant. Those are the reasons why those things are coming. French language is a very logical language. If you think logically, it's easy. Let's look at the second question. Est-ce que tu aimes la viande? Do you like meat? Est-ce que tu aimes la viande? Oui, j'aime la viande. Yes, I like meat. Non, je n'aime pas la viande. No, I don't like meat. Page number 116, Travaillez, deux. Page number 116 in your AAA total textbook. Travaillez, deux. Remember, in that question is given for you to practice it, but I prefer you are doing it as a writing work. With this, I made a question for that. Complétez tous les exercices suivants le même mode avec les mots ci-dessous. This question is made by me for your references. This means pause questions and write answer with the same pattern with the remaining words. Right. So how to do this exercise? I will explain you two things how to do. Les broccoli, la salade. Est-ce que tu aimes les broccoli? Instead of le poisson, what we use? Les broccoli. Est-ce que tu aimes les broccoli? Oui, j'aime les broccoli. Non, je n'aime pas les broccoli. Only thing you have to change is this underlined word should be changed by selecting a word from here. So positive answer, negative answer, both you have to write. Question word, no changes. Est-ce que tu aimes won't change. Oui, j'aime won't change. Non, je n'aime pas won't change. Only word you have to replace is this le poisson should be replaced by other words. Now we will see. Est-ce que tu aimes la salade? Oui, j'aime la salade. We use la salade. Est-ce que tu aimes les fruits? Oui, j'aime les fruits. Non, je n'aime pas les fruits. Est-ce que tu aimes l'ananas? Oui, j'aime l'ananas. Or l'ananas, I told you can pronounce it two ways. Non, je n'aime pas l'ananas. Likewise, you have to pronounce these things. Right. Now remember this one. We take the last example, laser. If it is singular, we pronounce it of, but when you put in plural, pronunciation is different in French. Laser. We don't pronounce fs. Laser, the eggs. Est-ce que tu aimes laser? Oui, j'aime laser. Non, je n'aime pas laser. So this laser. Remember, love. Love. L apostrophe O E together O E together U F. Love means the egg. The eggs when you're telling laser. Laser. We don't pronounce FNS. That is a speciality in that word. When we put into the plural, pronunciation differs. In that special word love. Laser. And Z sound should be pronounced. Laser. Est-ce que tu aimes laser? Oui, j'aime laser. Non, je n'aime pas laser. Right. Then there's a question. Est-ce que tu aimes? Like that you have to do the words using the words from here, and for all the things you have to write the question. Est-ce que tu aimes les brocolis? Oui, j'aime le brocoli. Non, je n'aime pas le brocoli. Est-ce que tu aimes la salade? Oui, j'aime la salade. Non, je n'aime pas la salade. Est-ce que tu aimes les fruits? Oui, j'aime les fruits. Non, je n'aime pas les fruits. Likewise, you have to do for all the words here. This question: Es-tu végétarien or végétarien? Es-tu végétarien? Es-tu végétarien? Es-tu végétarien? Vegetarian, vegetarian. Vegetarian means vegetarian. Vegetarian means vegetarian female. So if you are a masculine person, you can answer oui, je suis végétarien. Oui, je suis végétarien. If you are a vegetarian. If not, non, je ne suis pas végétarien. Feminine one will answer non, je ne suis pas végétarien. So you can select the answer and write. If you are a boy who is a vegetarian, oui, je suis végétarien. Who is not a vegetarian, a boy, non, je ne suis pas végétarien. If it's a girl who is vegetarian, oui, je suis végétarien. If girl is not vegetarian, non, je ne suis pas végétarien. Right. That is the first one with the question word with est-ce. Right. We will see the second grammar one. Negative form also a very huge area. It covers a very huge area. But today we are going to consider the negative form with related to partitive articles. Now look at this. Put into negative form. Il y a du sel. Il y a du sel. There is some salt. Il n'y a pas de sel. So what? Du will become de. Il y a the l'eau. There are some water. There aren't some water. Il y a de l'eau. Il n'y a pas d'eau. D-E-L apostrophe changes to D apostrophe. D-U changes to D-E. And il y a de la viande. Il n'y a pas de viande. De la and du. What change to D-E. Look at the things. Important things I have bolded and used the color. Always you had write il n'y a pas. Everything negative form il n'y a pas, il n'y a pas, il n'y a pas likewise. Then you have to see if it is due, it will change into de. The. If it is de la, also de. If it is they, de with the word in plural. Now look at this from the beginning. Il y a du sel, il n'y a pas de sel. There is no salt. Il y a de l'eau, il n'y a pas d'eau. Il y a de la viande, il n'y a pas de viande. Il y a des fruits, il n'y a pas de fruits. Be careful when you have the plural form. When you write de, the word won't change. The word should be in plural. If not, the meaning will change. Il y a du pain, il n'y a pas de pain. Il y a de la confiture, il n'y a pas de confiture. Il y a de la limonade, il n'y a pas de limonade. This one, il y a des frites, il n'y a pas de frites. Il y a des oignons, il n'y a pas d'oignons. D apostrophe. Il y a un œuf à la coque, il n'y a pas d'œuf à la coque. Il y a une pomme, il n'y a pas de pomme. Then you have exercise to do. Exercise 3, complete the phrase, page 117. Page 117, third one. Complete the phrase. Now, the child is thinking about making a cake, but the things are not there. That is the question there. Il n'y a pas de sucre. There is no sugar. Then look at in the light green color in that ribbon, we will see il n'y a pas de farine. Farine means flour. Il n'y a pas de margarine. Margarine means margarine, same thing. Il n'y a pas de. I told you D O E together U F S, plural form pronounce it the. And of but the. Je vais acheter un gâteau on wheel. I am going to buy a cake in town. So, il n'y a pas de sucre, il n'y a pas de farine, il n'y a pas de margarine, il n'y a pas de this word. And je vais acheter un gâteau on wheel. Okay, so you have two exercises to do. One exercise is with these words, you have to use the other words and try to complete the post questions and write answers positively and negatively, and negative form put into the negative form. So that's it with the fifth lesson. We will see the next lesson. One important reminder for you, this Tuesday, coming Tuesday, I am going to give you the first unit test. That is from lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. All the third term lessons. Considering third term lessons, I'm going to give you the unit test. Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. Those lessons. And be ready to do the unit test and try to get good marks. Minimum 40 and above should be there. Test is a very tough one because you have to find out the exact answer. Answers are very similar. You should have good knowledge to find out the exact answer. You should find out the exact answer to get to prepare for the test. And I will give you of course 7 days for you to submit the copies for me. You can send the photos for me and see the answers. I will give Tuesday evening. I will give you the answer one for the unit test. You check the answer and you show your progression from on Google Classroom or on my YouTube channel. Under the video, you show your work and tell me how many marks you got out of 100 for the unit test. I want all the grade 5, all the students to participate. Please don't ignore this. It's important you participate for this. So if you didn't subscribe for Sangeet French Flow channel, you can subscribe for that channel and see touch with the lessons and over and over again listen to this lesson for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have put grade second term few lessons, all those lessons over and over again. Look at it, watch it, and tell the pronunciation with me and get used to the French accents as well. And in future I would like to put one or two oral test also. After so many times listening, you can have to write the answer for that. So let's hope you got the idea today, and we will meet next week.